This conference will now be recorded.
Hello, friends. Good morning. And this is an announcement for the new AWS training batch in English starting from 5th of April. So it is going to start from 5th. It's evening 8:30 p.m. to 10 p.m. IST. And the course is only online. As you can see, all this information is available. All the meeting information is available in the description of this video. You can just copy this meeting ID and paste in the browser, and you can join for the first three classes for free, like April 5th, 6th, and 7th. All the three classes are free. You can join and check it out. So as I was saying, like it will be like 5th of April, from evening 8:30 it is going to start. This course is going to be online only, and it's going to cover AWS Solutions Architect Associate, system operations, as well as developer. And the duration of the course will be 2 months, and only on weekdays, no weekends, by the way. It's Monday to Friday, 8:30 p.m. to 10 p.m. IST, and it will be in English, folks. Okay, it will be in English. And the dependencies or prerequisites for this one will be Linux or Windows. If you need to at least know one in order to go through this course. Now the fees will be 12,000, which can be paid into two halves, 2 into 6,000. So I'm going to explain about the fees details, fees structure on the first class, and you can contact me over this is my email, as well as this is my WhatsApp number, or you can also reach me on this number in case of any questions. Now the system requirements will be, you need to have a good internet connection and a laptop with at least 4 GB of RAM. And this is the meeting ID. You can also join. If you're in US and UK, you can directly join from this number, or there is also GoToMeeting app as well, which you can do that. And this is the meeting ID which you need to join. And if you further come down, you'll see there is the curriculum. Actually, I have provided the demo videos for AWS demo videos, Linux basics, and DevOps basics. So I'm going to copy this curriculum, and I'm going to come here. And this is the total curriculum for Amazon Web Services, total of 70 hours, and it's going to cover 45 days actually. So it is 70 hours. So AWS course curriculum, see how many modules it will actually go for 24 modules totally. In total it will be 24 modules. And as you can see, we're going to start from pretty basic, understanding what is cloud computing, what is IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS, what is the AWS regions and availability zones, and basic networking. And then we're going to deal with VPC, and we're going to understand what is a public VPC, how you'll be able to connect it, what are the different types of the features available with the VPC. And we also talk about the VPC peering between the regions as well as a single region. We're going to talk about NAT gateway and VPC endpoints, security groups, and NACL. And we're also going to establish a VPN connectivity, by the way, going to connect a VPN connectivity from between AWS and on-prem. And I'm going to show you, like I'm going to engage Azure, and we're going to discuss about how we can establish the communication between an Azure cloud as well as a AWS cloud. We're going to talk about virtual private gateways and transit gateways. Okay, so we have about EC2 instance, elastic block store, storages, instance store, spot instances, backup, snapshots. We're going to talk about load balancers, both application load balancer and network load balancer, along with the auto scaling. So as you can see, auto scaling. We're going to talk about AWS Systems Manager and Storage S3, FSX, as well as Glacier and NFS. And also in databases, we're going to discuss about like a DynamoDB, MySQL, as well as like RDS, how you're going to have multiple multi-availability zone databases, and Redshift as well, and also Elastic Cache. So from there, we're going to talk about the CloudWatch, and also we're going to talk about like infrastructure as a code with the cloud formation templates. Okay, this is very important. Even I'm going to show the comparison with the Terraform as well. So, and from there we're going to talk about IAM, single sign-on, and managed active directory, certificate managers, SSL certificates, CloudFront, Global Accelerator, and Route 53. And after that, we're going to talk about container services, ECR, AWS ECR, Elastic Container Registry, as well as Elastic Container services, Fargate, EC2. And also I'm yet to write this. We're also going to cover the basics of EKS as well, Elastic Kubernetes Services. And we're going to talk about migration. We're going to understand what are the different types of migration, and I'm going to talk about like how you can actually migrate a server as well as the database as well as the data into that one. And we're also going to talk about like AWS developer tools, where we go and discuss of code commit, code build, code deploy, as well as code pipeline. And here we have like automation tools. We're going to talk about cloud formation, stack sets, and everything along with the Terraform. So, and we have like automation tools, like overview of automation tools for Ansible and Puppet to understand what are the different types of tools. And we're going to talk about the data analytics. This is purely theoretical session to understand what are the different data analytics tools. And finally, we're also going to talk about AWS Lambda, Lambda, Boto 3, and the other stuff. And finally, in the final one, which we're going to the final one, discuss about like what are the day-to-day activities of a AWS admin, what are the best practices, how the product works, everything. So totally, as you can see, it's a 24 module course, guys. It will take 2 months, and as you can see, again it will be going to from April 5th, starting from April 5th, 8:30 p.m. to 10 p.m. So, and it's an online course only, and 8:30 p.m. to 10 p.m. And this is the meeting ID. You can simply copy and paste it in the browser, and you'll be able to join. Okay, so thank you so much, friends. Let's meet up in the meeting and learn the AWS very well. And bye for now. Thank you.